Paul Graham from OptimalBody.ca. Today's video will be about how to make fitness a priority. I'm going to walk through a couple practical steps. The first one is to stop, get out a pen and a piece of paper, and really figure out why fitness is important to you. Trying to peel the layers of the onion and really get into the core reason of why you want to be a person who exercises on a regular basis. Often people have really surface things like, I want to lose weight, or I want to get healthy. When you get to the core of why you want to be a person who exercises on a regular basis, it should have a strong emotional pull, be tied into your identity or who you want to be. Often people don't have a strong enough why. And so when you read your why, is that enough to get you motivated to be able to start actually exercising when you're having those tough days and really would rather sit down on the couch and watch Netflix? And the second thing, I want to reassure you that the good news is that you're already good at prioritizing things. There's going to be some aspect of your life, I'm confident, that you're good at prioritizing. You probably show up to work on time. You probably, if you have kids, get them dropped off at school or make sure they're fed. You make sure that you eat. So there's lots of different things that you do manage to prioritize. So the good news is that you have a skill set when it comes to prioritizing. It just might not be working well with fitness, but you do have that base of skills. So you are prioritizing things in your life, all right. Again, get that pen and piece of paper out. Write down the things that you are doing on a regular basis. Where people often go wrong with this is they write out this list of, oh, here's what I want to be my priorities, like family and exercise and health and all these things. Instead of that, actually write down a list of what are the things you're doing day in and day out, because those are the things your actions are prioritizing. So do you watch Netflix every day or TV or any other streaming service? Do you check your email every day? Do you go onto Facebook or Instagram or social media? Are you preparing food? Do you brush your teeth? What are all the things that make up your day-to-day life? Actually list off all of these tasks. Then write down how long you're spending typically, and you can use a range, for each of these tasks. Now this should add up to roughly about 24 hours in theory. Then what I want you to do is circle the ones that are lower on your priority list than fitness. Odds are there's going to be multiple different things on there. This can help you to identify what is being prioritized ahead of fitness, and also gives you an idea of where you need to put fitness in. For example, you probably watch TV around the same time every single day. You probably eat supper around the same time every day. There's probably a certain rhythm of your day, and you have certain tasks that you do at certain times of the day. With fitness, something that will probably benefit you and make it easier to make it a priority is actually figuring out when is the specific time you're going to block off for fitness. And don't just have on the weekends or in the evenings. Have a specific time where it's like, this is my time where I exercise. So this is my time where I'm prioritizing fitness. Often with trying to make exercise a priority, people try to just exercise more instead of figuring out what are the things I need to remove to make time to exercise. I highly recommend you actually figure out what the things are that you're going to be removing and when you're going to be exercising. This will make it easier to make fitness a priority. Have a backup plan. Just because you have that as your specific priority, things are going to happen with life, so have a backup plan. If you can't get your fitness in at that designated time to exercise, where are you going to put it? And what is the actual task you're going to take out? So are you going to remove 20 minutes of watching Netflix? Are you going to remove 20 minutes of cleaning your housework? What is it that you're going to remove if you miss your specific fitness time? Number 3, the biggest thing I think that will help someone to prioritize fitness is actually thinking about changing your identity. So if you are not a person who exercises on a regular basis and whose actions have fitness as a priority, and you would like to be, you're going to actually need to change part of your identity. So start looking for things that reinforce you are a person that exercises. So as soon as you get one workout in on a regular basis, start reinforcing that in your brain and actually remind yourself, look at that, I'm someone that exercises. If you find you hit that point where you're missing a workout that you have planned or exercise that you have planned, reframe this into your identity as someone that exercises. So I missed my workout, but I'm someone that exercises on a regular basis. So when am I going to get that workout in?